Welcome to our blossoming world of sunflowers. Let's step into the vibrant sphere of these glorious giants.
Did you know that sunflowers got their name for their habit of facing the sun? Sunflowers are native to the Americas and were first domesticated there around 1000 BCE.
The sunflower is the state flower of Kansas and the national flower of Ukraine.
Sunflowers can thrive in most temperate climates and soil types, but they prefer full sun exposure.
There are about 70 species of sunflowers. The giant sunflower is the largest.
Sunflowers are heliotropic, which means they turn their flowers to follow the movement of the sun across the sky.
A mature sunflower can have up to 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. Sunflowers are cultivated for their seeds, from which sunflower oil is produced.
Sunflowers also have been used to extract toxic ingredients from soil, such as lead, arsenic, and uranium.
The tallest sunflower ever reported was over 30 feet tall.
The sunflower's scientific name, Helianthus, is just as sunny as its common name. It comes from two Greek words, helios meaning sun, and anthos meaning flower.
Did you know that sunflower heads consist of 1,000 to 2,000 individual flowers joined together?
Sunflowers are great for bees and other pollinators, making them a wonderful addition to any pollinator-friendly garden.
Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamin E. The giant heads of sunflowers are made up of thousands of tiny blossoms growing together.
Interestingly, the yellow petals and fuzzy brown centers are actually individual flowers themselves.
During the period of growth, the top of the sunflower will track the sun's motion, a phenomenon known as heliotropism. In various cultures worldwide, sunflowers symbolize longevity, love, and loyalty. A single sunflower can host hundreds of different insect species.
Sunflowers have a mutualistic relationship with bees. As bees help in the pollination of sunflower, the flower, in return, provides nectar. Young sunflowers exhibit a unique behavior called solar tracking, or following the sun, from east in the morning to west in the afternoon.
Sadly, deforestation and habitat destruction threaten many species of wild sunflowers.
Sunflowers are not only beautiful, but they also play a crucial role in our ecosystem by providing food and habitat for a wide variety of wildlife, from bees to birds.
The seeds and oil from sunflowers can be used in paints, cosmetics, perfumes, and biofuels.
The tallest sunflowers can grow up to 16 feet in just 6 months.
Sunflower seeds, oil, and meal have been used in cooking and baking for centuries.
Van Gogh's Sunflowers is one of the most popular paintings of sunflowers worldwide. The sunflower's bright yellow color symbolizes vitality, intelligence, and happiness. The Incas used sunflowers to symbolize the sun god and brought it to temples for worship.
Thank you for joining us in our journey through the fascinating world of sunflowers. See you in the next adventure.